So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Techo Trendz. So guys, today we are diving into the world of coding and with a powerful tool called Replit. So whether you are a beginner looking to learn how to code or a teacher searching for innovative ways to engage your students, Replit might just be the solution you have been searching for. So first learn about Replit, how it will benefit to the teachers and students, and I learn about what is Replit. Okay, so Replit is an online integrated development environment, or we can say an IDE, that allows you to run, write, and collaborate on code, all without the hassle of installations or configurations. So guys, Replit is just an IDE where you can write your code in different languages like Java, Python, Node.js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Okay, and it allows you to collaborate with your team to write or into that code, right? So it's hassle-free in terms of installations and configurations because it's running online, right? It's a web-based. So yeah, so think of it as a virtual coding playground, accessible anytime, anywhere, and on any device with an internet connection. So you just need to, you just need an internet connection to run this platform, and whether you are like taking flight, whether you are commuting, while you're commuting, you can just run it anywhere, right? Anytime, anywhere, with support for multiple programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, HTML, CSS, and more. Replit offers a versatile platform for coding enthusiasts of all levels. So guys, now learn about how it will gonna benefit for the beginners. Okay, so low barrier to entry. Say goodbye to the complexities for setting up traditional IDEs. With Replit, you can start coding in seconds, no downloads required. So basically, there's no need to install it on your computer. You can just search on your browser Replit, and you can just directly log into the platform, and you can write your code. You can create a new REPL and you can run your code, right? Immediate feedback as you write code. Replit provides instant feedback, helping you learn and debug more efficiently. Interactive learning. How it provides interactive learning. Take advantage of features like code, auto completion, and built-in tutorials to accelerate your learning journey. So guys, it has an integrated AI, so where you can you can take the help of an AI to write your code, to guide you, or to debug your programs, right? Collaboration. Share your code with friends or mentors, or join coding communities to collaborate on your projects and learn from others, right? So now learn about how it will gonna benefit for teachers, how it is beneficial for the teachers. If you're a teacher, here's why Replit might become your new favorite classroom tool. So guys, this is the most important thing here. Like, teachers use a lot of this product, right? This platform, this IDE, teachers mostly use this IDE because it allows them to do a lot of things. It allows the teachers to create the programs and create a shareable link of that program and share it with the students, right? So it's about that simplified setup. Create assignments and share them with your students effortlessly, eliminating the headache of software installations, because our students, they don't have to install the software or install any IDE. They just have to go through that link that is provided by their teachers, and they will directly redirect it to that Replit, and they can easily fork their REPL, right? So there's a term that fork their REPL. We will learn about this term and about how we fork the other people's REPL in our next video or in the upcoming videos, right? So first learn here about how it's beneficial for the teachers and students. Monitoring student progress. Keep track of your students' code submissions and provide timely feedback to support their learning. Students can come on the platform, they can fork the teacher's REPL, and they can even comment on it, right? They can even submit their own assignments, right? They can submit their own code, right? Collaborative learning. Foster a collaborative learning environment by facilitating group projects and peer collaboration within Replit. Resource sharing. Tap into the Replit's library of community created projects and resources to enrich your classroom teaching and inspire your students, right? So guys, now we will gonna learn how to run Replit on your browser and how to log into that. Okay, so to start with that, first we'll have to open our web browser. Whatever browser you are using, either Firefox or Microsoft Edge or Chrome. I will definitely gonna recommend you to use Chrome. or you can also use your default web browser, whatever you are using right now. Okay, now I'm using the Firefox. Okay, so we're gonna write, or you can say once you just open your web browser, type into the search tab about Replit. And the very first link that will appear on the search tab, you will just have to click on that. It will redirect you to the page of Replit, the official page of Replit. There you will see a login tab on the very right corner of the web page. You just have to click on that, and there you will see the options, the following options that how you can log in into the platform, right? So you have an option of creating an account or using your email and password. The other options you have is that you can directly log in using your Google account, or you can use log in using your GitHub account. If you have your GitHub account, you can directly log in using that, right? If you are an iOS user, you can also log in using your Apple ID, or you have in your Facebook account, you can log in using that also, right? So I'm gonna log in into the account using my Google account, right? So first let me log in into my account. Okay, so there we go. Now the Replit has just opened up, and we can see how the interface looks of Replit, right? So it's a very neat and beautifully designed interface of Replit. Here we can see in the My Replit section, or the My REPL section, we can create our own REPLs. So now I will show you how you can create your own REPL, right? So first, what you have to do is you will have to go on the very left corner, upper left corner. There you will see the Create REPL tab, right? It followed by a plus sign, right? You will just have to click on that, and in the template section, you can just select your own programming language, right? Whatever you are learning, either if you are learning like Python, you will just have to write Python. If you are learning Java, you can write Java. Right now I will select Java, right? So Replit is also suggesting me, right? Java, Java Swing, JavaScript, JavaFX, Processing Java, Starter Stick, JavaScript. So I will just select Java. Here in the title section, I can name my project, right? Here I can name my program, right? Just like we use the other IDEs like VS Code or BlueJ or Eclipse, IntelliJ, PyCharm. We name the project, right? We name the file, how it will gonna save in our system, or in our, if we are talking about Replit, how it will gonna save into the browser, right? So I will name it as Replit intro 1. Okay, now I will click on create REPL. Then it will create a REPL for me. See, Replit is so smart, right? It provides a lot of things, right, to play with. It is a totally different kind of a playground. I really love it. I really love using it, right? So now, see, a new screen has just appeared, and here you can see in the left section you have the access to all the files, right, that you have just created. In the middle part, you can see the main.java file. There you can write your program, and in the right side you will see a console box, right? Here you can see your console of the program that you are writing, right, on Replit. And you also have that option, the shell option or the terminal option. And in the tools section, at the left below corner, you will see the deployments, AI. See, in the beginning of the video, while I was introducing you about the Replit, I said that Replit has an integrated option of AI, right? And AI is integrated into the Replit, and you can use AI, right, to write your codes, to debug your codes, right? It has limited features in the free version, but if you'll upgrade it, your version, then you can just, if you upgrade your plan, then you can, use different parts of it, right? You can use a lot using AI, right? So it has a lot of features, right? It has extensions, debugger, database, console, packages. We'll learn all of those things, right? Which has just appeared here in our further videos. But in this video, just we will just see how it looks. And okay, so I will show you one thing as well. Like, let me just. Okay, so see, here I can choose where I want to see the main.java tab, right? If I will just drag and drop here, it will change it to like this. If I don't want to see the console thing here, right, I can just simply click on the three dots option, and I will just click on delete, or I will just click on close, right? It will close the tab. Now if I want to see it like as a float, I can do that also, right? If I want to open java main.java, right? If see, let's suppose if I have created another file, right, java.md. Now I can do one thing here. I can drag and drop java.md here, and I can drop the new tab here. See, what I'm trying to explain you here is that Replit allows you to, change the screen options as per your choice. So this is really something that I really love about Replit, about using Replit. This allows me, to work according to myself, where I want to see the console box, where I want to see the code box, right? So it has a lot of features, right? So guys, in this video I will not gonna explain you further about Replit. I will just end up here, and a lot I will talk about the Replit in our further videos in detail. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on coding. Keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.